Next, we will learn text filter. This filters your Excel data if you only want to display text records that meet certain criteria. This is the data we will be using. Under the filter last name, click on text filters option, then on equals option. In the text box, enter the text $M*, then press OK. Now $M* means it will display only those last name having only one character before M and can have any number of characters after M. This is the result. It displays those last name having only one character before M and have any number of characters after M.